Hi friends, happy Wednesday. So today we're still doing multiplication. Today we're going to be actually doing some multiplication together, then you can do some on your own. We'll just review our skip counting, and then we'll continue to do multiplication for the rest of the week, and then our 9 times table will be done. We'll go on to our tens and so on so forth. So we're almost at the end, friends. Good job. You're all doing amazing. I'm so proud of you. All right, so let's get started. I don't want to take up too much of your time. So, remember friends, this week we are skip counting by 9 and we're multiplying by 9. So I want us to really practice skip counting. It will help us when we make our equal groups, when we skip count on our touch points, or just the fact of finding multiples and helping us in general. Okay, so we're going to do some skip counting. We do a couple problems, and then I want to actually show you a trick that might help you. Depends if it works for you. So, when we skip count by a number, we always start with that number that we're skip counting by. So this week we're focusing on the number 9. So we're going to start with the number 9. So I want everybody to skip count with me. Ready? 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90. Let's do that again. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90. Awesome job, friends. So now, when we do our multiplication, we have been doing our equal groups and using our touch points. So I'm going to start with equal groups. So my first number tells me how many groups I need to make. So I see the number 5. So I'm going to make 5 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm actually going to clear my screen out. Let's try that again. Sorry, friends. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I have my 5 groups because my first number is a 5. Now, I'm going to look at my second number. My second number is going to tell me how many I should put in each group. Well, I look at my number and it's a 9. So I'm going to put 9 in each group. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Poof, lots of 9s. So now I have 9 in each group and I have 5 groups. So now I can skip count. And I can skip count by 9 because 9 is how many are in each group. So 9, 18, 27, 36, 45. 5 times 9 equals 45. All right, friends, so same thing. If I clear my screen and I use my touch points, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touch points on the number 5. I can use those touch points and skip count by 9 on them. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45. 5 times 9 equals 45. All right, friends, so let's do another one. We have 4 times 9. So I have 4 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now, friends, I'm going to show you a little trick. So now we've been putting in 9 in each group, and that kind of takes a long time. So my friends, if you feel comfortable, because we've been doing this for so long, you don't have to put 9 in each group. Just skip count by 9 on the groups. So the 4 tells you how many groups I need, and I have my 4 groups. Now I can use that 9 and count by 9. So, or I can even put a 9 inside. 9, 9, 9, 9. And that means there are 9 in each group. So if I count by 9, I have 9, 18, 27, 36. Oops. I have 36. So I had my 4 groups. Sorry about that, my friends. And we can just pretend there's 9, or we count by 9. So 9, 18, 27, 36. So I have, or I can even put 9 in here, 18, 27, 30, oh, that's supposed to be a 3, friends, sorry, 6. So 4 times 9 equals 36. Those groups are just like our touch points. We had 4 groups and we just counted on them by 9. And same thing, we had 4 groups and we counted on them by 9. So 9, 18, 27, 36. 4 times 9 equals 36. All right, friends. Awesome job today. Now you're going to go off and do some multiplication of your own. You're all doing amazing. Keep up the great work. And yeah, pretty soon we'll be able to move on to division and everything will be great. Bye.